The best way to navigate your advisory or mentoring relationships is to absolutely set clear expectations. So, the first meeting that you and your advisor need to have is to define your relationship. Ask yourself and ask them these questions. Do you want somebody that is hands on and telling you what to do, on what to read, or do you want somebody that will give you a lot of independence and freedom? Do you see yourself in industry or academia? What are you looking to do with your PhD? Do you expect your advisor to pick your classes, your project, your dissertation, or is that your responsibility? Will your relationship be more professional or personal? What are your expectations regarding conferences and papers? Will they pay for everything, including fees, and support your travel and dissemination? Get all of these questions out of the way first and see if you're a match, because those are the really, really important parts that need to line up before you start working for somebody, especially for as long of a time as a PhD takes.